We will take a simple example from the earlier year question paper. Earlier in last 3 to 4 years, somewhere this reaction was given. Okay, so is this was the question. Okay, that we had to balance this chemical reaction. So as the first step says that we have to separate the half reactions. Okay, but the question itself has given in the form of separated half reactions only, but yes, still I will just repeat the question over here in this form. Okay, second step says that balance elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here other than oxygen I have this Cr that I have to balance, right? So I see two Cr, that is chromium, on this side and one chromium on this side. So that means I have to put 2 over here. Okay, now here other than oxygen and hydrogen I have only iodine, one iodine on left hand side and one iodine on right hand side, so they are already balanced, so I'm not doing anything extra over there. In the step 3 we have to add water to balance oxygen. Here I can see that there are 7 oxygen molecules, but here there is no oxygen. Here also on right hand side we have 3 oxygen, here there is no oxygen. So to add these 7 oxygens on the right hand side, what I have to do, I will add 7 water molecules over here. Same way I have to add 3 water molecules to balance the oxygens, 3 oxygens on the right hand side. Now we can see hydrogen has become imbalanced, so to balance hydrogen we have to add protons on both the sides. So if you see here, there are 14 hydrogens on right hand side and none on the left hand side. Here also 6 hydrogen on the left hand side and none on the right hand side. So to do that, what I will do, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus rest 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Okay, now on this side what is happening, let me see. This is I minus plus 3H2O, IO3 minus plus 6H plus. So it is pretty simple if we go step by step. And the next step says that balance the charge of each equation with electrons. Now what is this all about, charges? So if you see over here, there are 2 negative charges over here. Okay, and 14 positive charges. Okay, I'm talking about these 2 negative charges, and these 14 H plus are bringing 14 positive charges here, and on this side I have 2 multiplied by this 3, so 2 into 3 I have 6 positive charges over here. So basically this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay, so on left hand side how much I have, 14 minus 2, so I have plus 12 over here and plus 6 on the right hand side. Okay, I have to make them equal, and that I have to do with electrons. So electron means negative charge. Okay, so if I add 6 electrons over here, okay, then these 6 electrons means this overall charge will become plus 6, and now this plus 6 on left hand side and plus 6 on right hand side, they will become equal. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. And yes, Then I will write the equation in this way now. Okay, so I'm writing it as Cr2O7 2 minus C. I'm writing as such. Then I'm writing 14H plus. This also I have written as such. Now I'm writing these 6 electrons which I have added to balance, and then this I'm writing 2Cr plus 3 plus 7 water molecules. Okay, now let me see what is happening over here. If you see, as far as the charges are concerned, there is one negative charge on this side, one negative, and 6 positive charges on this side. So my right hand side becomes plus 5 and my left hand side is minus 1. So to balance this I have to add electrons. So if I add how many electrons then I have to add? Okay, because I have to make it minus 1, okay, by addition of electrons. So if I add 6 electrons to it, then this will become 6 minus 5, that is minus 1. Okay, so minus 6 electrons means I am adding 6 minus charges. So this is minus 6 plus 5, so that will become minus 1. Okay, I hope you have understood. So by this now my equation will become, see I am writing this as such, I minus plus 3H2O IO3 minus 6H plus, and these 6 electrons then I am adding here. Okay, pretty simple. Now the next step says, next step is this, step number 6. It says scale the reactions to make equal number of electrons. So to scale this reaction I have to write them one below the other. So I have to make the equal number of electrons now. So here this electron and this electron is gone. So my equation becomes, they are already equal. So my equation becomes and the last step is add the reaction and cancel out common terms. So we can see under common terms we have this water over here, so that can be then cancelled out. So the final equation then becomes, see this H plus, no, 14H plus here, 6H plus here, so that 6 can be cancelled out. Okay, so that will be I minus plus 8H plus 2Cr plus 3IO3 minus plus 4H2O. So this is the balanced equation.